So, yun ang sinakyan namin, oh. Ocean Jet. So, we are going now to from Bohol to Panglao. So, see you Panglao. At this moment, guys, kakarating lang namin. So, daming tao. Marami ding papunta na naman. So, kami, kakarating lang namin, guys. So, marami ding papunta. Pauwi natin sila. So, ang iba is they are going back na to go home. Maybe something like that. So, kami kakarating namin dito, guys. So, see you there in Panglao. It's very long trip talaga, guys, no? More than 24 hours na yung travel namin, guys. So, hindi lang kami nagpalit ng damit, guys. We are always nagpalit lang sa namin. We are guys, on period kami, guys. Nako, ilang pads na yung naubos while traveling. So yun, guys, ang update natin. So, saan ang sundo natin, Bishi? Maybe your sundo, Bishi, is there already, Bes? Sana, Bes? Ang sundo mo, baka andyan na. Nagantay. Wala. Oh, masakit na yung dito ko. Sa bag. Lagay mo sa akin? Wala nga.